Hi students, basic grammar for standard 6th, 7th and 8th. This is Nandini. Part 4 we are seeing, okay. In our prior sessions we had seen part 1, part 2 and part 3. In this session we are going to learn about the semi-modals have, has, to, has to, had to. Ready children? We have already learnt about modals and we know that what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are used with ordinary verbs to express certain meanings. Do you remember what primary auxiliaries are? Primary auxiliaries are also called helping verbs. They are used with ordinary verbs to form tenses, voices, negatives and questions. Am, be, have, has are examples of primary auxiliaries. Do you know that the primary auxiliary have, has is sometimes used as a semi-modal? A semi-modal is made up of two or more separate modals, the last word being to. These modals change their forms according to the person and the number of subject. When have or has is used as a semi-modal, then it's used as have to or has to. Have to or has to. Have to or has to is used as a semi-modal. It is used to indicate necessity or obligation. For example, you have to try harder. Here, the words have to have been used to indicate that it is necessary for you to try harder. So, have to has been used as a semi-modal. You also have to remember that the past form of have to, that is had to, is also sometimes used as a semi-modal. Had to, shall we see children? Had to is also used to express necessity or obligation. I had to clean my cupboard yesterday. In the sentence, had to has been used to indicate that it was necessary for me to clean my cupboard yesterday. So, had to is an example of a semi-modal. Now, let us quickly revise what we have learned. We have learnt about the semi-modals have to, has to, today. A semi-modal is made up of two or more separate words, the last word being to. These modals change their forms according to the person and number of the subject. Have to, has to is used as a semi-modal. It's used to indicate necessity or obligation. The past form of have to, that is had to, is also sometimes used as a semi-modal. Had to is also used to express necessity or obligation. We have learnt about the semi-modals have to and has to today. Please revise this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads. Thank you, students.